Did you know that 80% of companies that use AI for market research see a significant reduction in their data analysis time by at least 60%? But if you're still using outdated manual methods, you're probably losing valuable time and insights. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use AI for market research and save time like these forward-thinking companies. To get started, you'll need a reliable AI-powered market research tool. One popular option is Google Cloud's AutoML, which provides a user-friendly interface for creating custom machine learning models. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using AutoML to analyze customer feedback on social media. First, navigate to the Google Cloud console and sign in with your account. Click on the navigation menu, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, and select AutoML. Then, click on Text Classification and create a new project. Give your project a name, such as Social Media Feedback Analysis.